All right, so we just want to take the derivative of this. So a couple things we got to do. Y prime. So the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x minus. Okay, now we got to take the derivative of this thing down here. And the arctangent is just the inverse tangent of x. I'm going to do it down here. So it's going to go in this big bracket. So to do this, we got to do the product rule. So the derivative of the first, x squared is 2x, times the arctangent of x, plus, now we leave the x squared alone, and the derivative of the arctangent is 1 over 1 plus x squared. That's the derivative of the arctangent. So there's your answer. All that's going to go in here.